जय श्रीमद् भगवद गीता की जय। Oh, where is Krishna here? Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Ki Jai. Chapter 12, Bhakti Yoga, Devotional Service. Number 2. Shri Bhagavan Uva Mayaveshyam Parayopetas Te me yukatamamata. Translation. The Blessed Lord said, He whose mind is fixed on my personal form, always engaged in worshipping me with great and transcendental faith, is considered by me to be most perfect. Jai Srimad Bhagavad Gita Ki Jai. So I would like to make one remark about this. I would like to make one remark about this chapter, this verse. Arjuna asked Krishna in the first verse, which is more perfect? Those who worship your impersonal aspect or those who worship you? He didn't say that one is right and one is wrong. He asked which is perfect, which is more perfect. And Krishna answered him that those who worship him personally are more perfect. And we will see in the 5th verse, he says that it is simply trouble and more trouble for those who take the difficult path of trying to fix their mind on something which has no name, no shape, no form. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Ki Jai. So I will now hand over to Radha Kunjabi Hari Prabhu to speak something about Hatha Yoga.
Hare Krishna, thank you very much. As you can see in the background is Giri Govardhan,
Jai Ho.
non-different from Krishna, and he is Yogeshwar. So if I have to speak about yoga, then we first take blessings of Yogeshwar, Sri Krishna, Govardhan, before I even start. So with humble obeisances to Govardhanji Parvat, I may speak a few words. I beg for his mercy before I speak. So is a beautiful, actually bringing in the meditative state and of your breath and movement to get rid of that vritti which comes in between Atma and Paramatma. It is so simple that Lord Shiva says, you don't need any to achieve yoga. The definition of yoga being Atma Paramatmayor Samyoga iti yoga. So the meeting of the Atma and Paramatma is yoga. And what comes in between is vritti, or the innumerable impressions on the mind that we have accumulated over millions of lifetimes. And that vritti, Sri Balaramji, in the form of Patanjali Mahamuni, says, Yogas Chitta Vritti Nirodha. So that vritti can be completely burnt away by the process of yoga. So on one side, Lord Balaramji says this. On the other side, Lord Shiva has made it easily accessible to fools like us in Kali Yuga who have no knowledge, and even if we have knowledge, it's not realized. We don't have the time to realize it, though the jnana has not immersed in our heart. And so Lord Shiva brings in this whole process of Hatha Yoga where you don't need to wait until pratyahara till you get to the stage of dharana, dhyana, samadhi. Everything is combined together in the process of Hatha Yoga, where you beat your mind in very simple coordination of breathing and body movement. That's it. The vrittis go away. Of course, we are doing japa, so the karma goes away. But even if the karma comes at us, if the vrittis are gone, you don't react. You already realized yourself and you've seen the Lord, so nothing to do with karma anymore. So it is so simple, and I would love to share this with everyone. Again, my name is Radha Kunj Bihari Das, Rajesh Nayak, and my phone number is 79722888176. Email ID nayakr07@gmail.com. Love to be with you every day. Love to hear from you. Hare Krishna. Hare Hare.
Narendranath Pandey ji.
I'm done, Prabhu.
Yeah, please.
But where is the convener?
Yeah, it is a self-operating. Narendranath Pandey
Now
ji
he is
has
visible. Now he is there.
I think Narendra ji, you're supposed to go ahead now. I believe Rama is not coming online.
But he was seen just now.
He's there, but I think he's not going to speak. So
Is there anything wrong with your
you
microphone?
can just go ahead with your I think
mic क्यों नहीं चल रहा?
morals from Ramcharitamanas.
तो बात करो.
Yes. So, my today's topic from Ramcharitmanas is a simple incident with Sugriva. Sugriva was living in forest on the Rishyamukh Parvat, the mountain, because of fear of Bali. And he was feeling sad that such a life was imposed upon him. But when Ram came there, Ram would not go to, during exile, he will not go to a city or a town. So he met Sugriva on that mountain, Rishyamukh Parvat. Bali was cursed not to visit that place. So Sugriva was safe there. Bali would not come and disturb him. So when Ram met him, Sugriva realized that the person in front of him is none other than Lord Vishnu. By looking at his feet and seeing that chakra on his feet, Sugriva recognized that for someone who we were all waiting has now come to earth, taken incarnation. Then what he says is a beautiful line in Ramcharitmanas. And today I am going to recite that line and explain the meaning of that. He says that today I have realized sapne hu jaisan hoi larai. Even in dream, if I have a fight with someone like Bali, jage samujhat man sakchai, and even in dream if I fight with him,